In 2010, I removed the propane tank from my house and installed electric heat, including a used hot water heater. Since all of our water supply lines are copper, I fitted CPVC fittings from the copper lines to the threaded water heater. Also run all the electrical wire, but right now I'm gonna show the soldering I did to get the copper pipe to fit the threaded CPVC. As you can tell, it's not a sloppy job, and the fittings are watertight and have been watertight for a very long time.